Happy Friday. Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to just go one last time to Tesla, and here's why. Yesterday I had drawn these lines. I was doing a video on this yesterday, and I mentioned that this is kind of what you can envision Tesla doing. They're not going to take a big drop. Like, the only way they would do that is if the government said, you know what, Elon, we're not giving you any more money. Then that would be a bummer. But as long as he's bringing in your dollars, then they're going to do just fine. They got a ton of cash. So there's nothing wrong with the stock per se. There's nothing wrong with the company, but the way this condition is who's going to be buying it here? Institutions would actually be lightening up because the stocks had such a heck of a run. It ran up 50% in a month, okay, in actually basically 2 weeks of trading. That's a really, really fast move. And if that doesn't get you to sell some, you're a hodler, man. You're just going to hold it forever. And so what I'm envisioning this, I would not short this stock under any circumstances, but what I would envision is that this stock's going to continue to zigzag. I kind of stand by these lines. This to me looks like what's going to happen. And if it winds up coming back to the 50, then that's probably where you're going to see a bounce. And the reason I'm pointing this out is this, because I would not want to don't keep watching the stock. It's like a shiny object that you keep waiting to pay you off. Instead, set some alerts. Set a price alert at like 950 or something. And until it hits that, you can ignore it, because you're not going to buy it up here. If the stock does start rebounding, you're not going to buy it up there. You just won't. It's a horrible time to be buying the stock. Oh, it's rallying. Well, yeah, great. But after a stock's blown off, you don't want to buy on the rally. You want to buy when the blow off has fully recovered. So just set us an alert here at 950. You could even go 940 if you want. But wait for the stock to stabilize before you buy. And guess what? My sense is that stock's going to stabilize real nicely, just not this year. Okay? So don't keep fixating on it. But what I do want you to do is fixate on joining my website. I got a 30-day trial. No, it's not free. It costs you $7. You got to pay $7 for a free look-see. Well, for a $7 look-see for 30 days. We're really doing well there. I produce active trades. I give you the entries, the stops, the exits, and the dialogue, the running commentary to tell you why I'm doing that. It is literally a complete trade. I don't know of another website like this that does all of that. I know the guys that pick stocks. I know the guys that do PDFs, annotate their charts on a PDF. I get it. By the way, they cost about the same as I charge here. I know the guys who charge hundreds of dollars more, and you get one session per week. That's it. I'm doing a live session, and we're kicking out 5 strategy sessions at the end of each day. So you're getting a lot more from here at Stock Market Mentor. And why am I telling you this? For 2 reasons. First of all, I want you to join because I think you will benefit a lot from it. Second of all, because I'm damn proud of what I've built here, and I want to show it to you. There, that's just the ugly truth. Actually, it's not ugly. It's truthful truth. Anyway, that's it. That's all I got for you. I will see you at Stock Market Mentor. I promise you that.